guys, so nandito kami ngayon and pupuntahan namin at ililibot namin kayo sa isa sa pinaka gusto puntahan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Wala nang iba kundi ang Rizal Shrine! Kaya ano pang inaantay natin? Doon na yung ano ba? No? Pakita mo to. Excited na kami kaya pupunta na kami, papasok na kami sa loob. Pasok na kami. Ito na. What's up guys? Ngayon ay dahil wala kami magawa, may pa-fun fact muna kami about kay Rizal. Kaya maglalaro kami ng ano ba tawag doon? Passing the camera.
Passing the camera.
Passing the camera. Anyway, ngayon, tutuloy na namin ang laro namin. So ako na unahan ko na. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na po. Handa na sila. Okay. Si Rizal ay maliit. And passing this phone, passing this camera kay Mika.
Oh, alam nyo ba guys, fun fact, maliit din yung nagpasa. Alam nyo ba na si Jose Rizal ang nagsulat ng Noli Me Tangere at El Filibusters Review? Alam nyo ba? Ano nga ba yun?
Ang hina ng volume up.
Ano yun? Volume up.
Volume up.
Rizal died on...
In English daw.
Ay, namatay, sige. Namatay si Rizal ng December 30, 1896. I'm passing this camera to Yanaba.
Alam nyo ba na tinagurian din si Jose Rizal na father of Philippine comics dahil sa mga nakakatawa niyang illustrations na ginawa ng Germany. Sa Germany. Passing this camera to Sean.
Hello guys. Fun fact. Did you know na... Oh, sorry. Fun fact. Alam niyo ba may 10 kapatid si Rizal? Pag-isipin niyo naman na... Fun fact. Si Rizal ay may 10 kapatid. Kung sa tingin niyo masip kayo sa bahay, isipin niyo naman kung gaano kasikip yung bahay ni Rizal. Hey. Passing this camera to...
Hindi niya na pangalan!
Si Rizal ay isang mabuting halimbawa ng... Ay, isang inspirasyon ng halimbawa. Isang inspirasyon.
Halimbawa.
Mga kabataan. Yun.
Yung sarili thing.
Huwag kumaingay.
I-travel mo. One fact, he traveled the whole world, learned all the language he can, he mastered all language.
Hey! Ruder! Guys, bumaba na kami. Basta salamat po ah. Ingat po kayo.
And yes, we are finally touched down at Intramuros. Me and my group, and we really enjoy every step that we make. And anyway, we will gonna be start explaining to you the Rizal Shrine right now. Rizal Shrine was then our hero's prison cell when he was arrested. Ahead of Rizal will greet you as you enter the foyer of the building, leading to the audiovisual room upstairs and the other replicas such as prison room and trial chamber on the side. Room leading to the audiovisual room. Upstairs we were greeted by the Katipuneros at the right such as Antonio Luna, Andres Bonifacio, Procopio, and Pasiano according to the Intramuros. And then, the next room you saw is the where Rizal was tried for the formation of the KKK by Andres Bonifacio by starting an international competition for the design of the Rizal Monument. Richard Kisling the one with his work Moto Stella. Before going up to the room, we are greeted by Rizal's bed and the puzzle piece on our way out.
guys, dito na kami sa may Raso Element Theater. Kasama pa din natin ng mga grupo natin. Okay naman kayo dyan. And ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo naman na loob nito. Let's go!
As we enter the history Lego Fortress Education Center, we literally saw every kind of building that has been built in Philippines. As you can saw, this is the building that was once a famous in our country. And by the way, while looking at these artifacts leading upstairs, we saw this kind of Lego structures that amaze us literally because of its structure and details. And anyway guys, before leaving this room, we surprised as what we saw in the rooftop.
So ngayon ikuti pa namin to para maipakita sa inyo yung ganda talaga ng Pilipinas. Andito. Spooky.
I'm preparing myself.
Sabay-sabay tayo papasok, sabay-sabay tayo papasok, sandali lang.
Guys, mabigat yung pakiramdam ko dito. Napunta na po ako dito.
Dalawang lane.
Kaya dala na yung pagkain, guys.
Malalaglag ah. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Sana nag-enjoy guys sa video namin na to. And this is our group presentation about sa Rizal Drive. Tama? So yan, paalam na kayo guys. Bye! Bye!